How to use buttonhole foot and button foot. First of all, mark the area where you are going to put the button. Mark on both sides of the fabric. Then take the buttonhole foot and slide its back and put the button on its back. Once done, insert the buttonhole foot under the machine. Then move the knob on number 1 stitch. Number 1 stitch is for buttonhole. Keep the width dial on number 5 and length dial right beside 0. There is a push lever on the back of the machine. Pull it down. Now put the marking area of the fabric under the buttonhole foot and make sure you can see the marking. Now push the lever back and start stitching. First of all, it will start stitching backwards, and when it hits the push lever, it will move forward. Once you reach the area you started from, stop the machine and now use any thread cutter and make the hole. This is done. Now we will change the buttonhole foot to button foot. We will remove the button and then insert the button foot under the machine. Make sure to measure the buttonholes. Measure the buttonhole and then move the dial of the width in the middle of 3 and 4 and then move the length of the stitches on 0. Now I will move the knob of the stitches number 3. This is zigzag, which is perfect for this. Now I will move the fabric under the button foot. Put the button on the marking area. Once place the button under the button foot. Carefully move the wheel and start stitching. Stitch around 7 to 8 times and then stop and take it out. Now button is ready.